Okay, so we're going to take the blunt tip needle, it's a 4-inch needle, and stick it down right beside the cable, and we're going to be injecting the lube right inside of the cable sheath there. So you put your syringe on. Going to take the oil that's supplied with the kit, and you can use your own oil if you'd rather. Pour the oil in. Insert the syringe. Just going to put a little bit of pressure on it. That's going to force the oil down inside the cable. And you can actually just leave it sit like that for a while. Okay, and as you can see, we're getting good lube at the other end of the cable. You can see the lube. Pop the syringe out.